Sanibona, ngiyanemukela. Welcome back to Mzansi Zulu Mama, where we explore the beauty of Zulu language, culture, and traditions. And today we are talking about September, Umandulo, and the unique Zulu traditions that come alive in this special month. So let's dive in. So, what does September mean for us? In isiZulu, September is called Umandulo. The word mandulo means the beginning because this is the time when planting begins. After the cold of winter, the land awakens, the rains return, and families start preparing their fields. Mandulo is not just a month, it's the start of the season of hope, fertility, and abundance. There are celebrations and traditions around the month of Umandulo. The first one being the Royal Reed Dance, Umkhosi Womhlanga. This is a famous ceremony where thousands of Zulu virgins gather to celebrate the custom of preserving their virginity before marriage. This dance promotes purity and respect for young women, though it has faced criticism for potentially disempowering women. And if you want to know more about Umkhosi Womhlanga, you can check out this video for more details. The second one is plowing and planting ritual. Families also begin plowing their fields, planting maize, pumpkins, beans, and sorghum. Before planting, beer or water is poured onto the soil as an offering to the ancestors, asking them to bless the land and make it fertile. Then the third one is spring cleansing. Mandulo is also about cleansing. Some families practice ukugeza, a spiritual bath to wash away the heaviness of winter and welcome the new season. Traditional beer is brewed, songs are sung, and joy fills the homestead. The fourth one is the blessing of livestock. Because cattle are central in Zulu life, September is also a time to bless animals for fertility and strength, ensuring they multiply and remain healthy for plowing, lobola, and future ceremonies. So, Mandulo reminds us that life is about cycles, endings, and beginnings. It's about gratitude, preparation, and renewal. September is not just a month on a calendar, it is the heartbeat of planting, of fertility, and of hope. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for watching. Now I would love to hear from you. Did you know about September being called Umandulo? Which of these traditions surprised you the most? So let's talk in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mzansi Zulu Mama for more stories of our culture, language, and traditions. Until next time, nisale kahle. Ngiyabonga.